how to get any universe ID on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can get any universe ID on Roblox. In order to get any universe ID on Roblox, first of all, check your internet connection, open up your web browser. On the web address bar, type in roblox.com and log in into your Roblox account. After you're logged into your Roblox account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you need to first of all open up the particular game for which you actually want the universe ID. After you open up the game, right click on your mouse just next to the game and you can see there's a pop-up menu. So from the list, click on view page source, just tap on it. Next page is going to direct you to this coding page. Here you'll need to tap on Ctrl+F and after that type in universe ID and hit enter. Once you type in universe ID, the word will be highlighted. So next to it, you can see this is the particular number. So this is considered as universe ID. Now copy it down and you can just paste it wherever you want. In this way, you can get a universe ID on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.